Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to glow up. I'll give you a simple step-by-step guide to glow up physically, mentally, and emotionally. This video will contain 10 easy steps, and most importantly, you don't need any expensive products or crazy routines. Because glow up comes from habits, not makeup or lifestyle. After this video, you'll have clear direction on how to get started, and you'll feel more confident in yourself. Be sure to watch the video until the end because every step is very important. So let's start the video. Step 1. Don't compare yourself. The first and most important step is never compare yourself to anyone. On social media, everyone looks perfect. But in reality, everyone is going through their own struggles. No one is perfect. When you start comparing your skin, your lifestyle, or your habits with others, you never feel satisfied. You only start noticing your flaws. And then your confidence automatically goes down. The most important thing for a glow up is confidence in yourself and working on yourself. Instead of feeling insecure by looking at others, focus on yourself. Be proud of yourself. And try to learn something new every day. Real glow up starts when you stop comparing. Step 2. Healthcare routine and healthy diet. Glow up doesn't start from the outside, it starts from within. That's why adding healthy things to your routine is very important. Avoid junk food as much as possible. It's difficult to completely stop, but at least keep it limited. Too much oily and junk food makes your face oily, causes acne, and damages your hair. Add fruits and vegetables to your diet. Protein is also important, like eggs, lentils, chicken, or whatever you can afford. And most important, don't skip breakfast. No matter how much you're in a hurry, eat something healthy. Skipping breakfast lowers your energy and slows down your metabolism. Remember, healthy diet doesn't mean starving. Keep balance. Nourish your body, don't punish it. Real glow up comes when you prioritize your health. Step 3. Skincare and haircare routine. When we hear the word skincare, expensive products and serums come to mind. But for a glow up, you don't need costly products. Glow comes when your skin and hair are healthy. Keep skincare simple. Use basic products: cleanser, moisturizer, lip balm, and sunblock. As soon as you wake up in the morning, wash your face with a good face wash. Then apply moisturizer, whether your skin is dry or oily. And use sunblock daily, even if you are not going outside much. Follow a basic routine daily and see the difference yourself. Now let's talk about hair. Hair care also doesn't require a long routine. The biggest mistake is using whatever shampoo you find. Try to use a good sulfate-free shampoo that suits your hair type. You can also do a hair mask or oiling once a week. Simple care, but regular care. This is the real glow up. Step 4. Looks and style. Next step is looks and style. When your skin and hair are clean and healthy, your overall look automatically improves. Now, let's focus a little on dressing too. First of all, choose colors that look classy. Avoid very bright and loud colors. Light and soft shades look more elegant, like white, beige, light pink, pastel blue, gray, black. These colors are simple but give a very classy look. Don't blindly follow trends. Not every trend suits everyone. Wear what looks good on you, what makes you feel comfortable. Comfort first, because when you are comfortable, confidence naturally shows. Clothes should be clean and properly ironed. Shoes should be clean. Small details enhance your overall style. Simple, neat, and confident look is the real classy look. Step 5. Maintain your hygiene. Now let's talk about hygiene. Taking a daily bath, keeping nails clean, maintaining fresh breath. These may seem like small things, but they are very important. Imagine your clothes and style are good, but your hygiene is not proper. The whole impression gets ruined. Daily bathing is not only to feel fresh, but also to remove germs and sweat. It also reduces skin problems. Keeping nails clean is important because dirty nails are noticed very quickly. They are part of your personality. And fresh breath. If your breath is not fresh, you can't even talk confidently. So brush properly and use a mouth freshener if needed. When you feel clean and fresh, your confidence automatically doubles.